Hi guys, have you ever wondered, do I really need a VPN? Well, with the increasing concerns about online privacy and security, this question is becoming more relevant than ever. And the answer to this question in most cases is yes. I'm Hassan Khan, an editor with VPN Ranks, and today we're going to be uncovering the truth behind VPNs, what they are, when you actually might need one, and whether VPNs are worth your time. So let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a service that creates an encrypted tunnel between you and your internet service provider. This in turn helps keep your data safe, especially if you're connected to a public Wi-Fi. When should you consider using a VPN? Well, if you're often on public Wi-Fi networks like in cafes, airports, or hotels, you should consider using a VPN to protect yourself from potential snoopers. Also, if you're looking for geo-restricted content like streaming services in another country, then a VPN should be your go-to tool. But here's the catch. A VPN will not make you completely anonymous. Your connection will only be secure until you exit the VPN server. And at that point, your information will be available to the destination website and the VPN provider. This is why it is very crucial you are very selective about which VPN you choose for your anonymity. Now let's address the gigantic elephant in the room, free VPNs. Now I know these free VPNs sound tempting, but most often these free services are harvesting your data for money. Paid VPNs on the other hand are a safer bet because you're entering into a contract with them for better privacy assurances. However, if you're just a casual user browsing the web, you might actually do well with secure DNS or some ad blockers without the added complexity of a VPN to ensure a safe time on the internet. In either case, you should always remember that not all VPNs are trustworthy. Since we do VPN reviews at VPN Ranks, it is our finding that most VPNs aren't delivering their promises, and some VPN providers have actually been caught selling user data. This is why we should do thorough research, go through our VPN reviews, and end up choosing a VPN that is a reputable provider. So let's get back to the question everyone is asking. Do I really need a VPN? Well, the answer to this question depends on how you're using the internet. If privacy is your main concern, and if you're using a public Wi-Fi, then a VPN could be incredibly useful for you. However, if you're just casually browsing the internet, you might not need a VPN at all. Have you ever used a VPN, or do you think these VPNs are unnecessary? Well, we'd like to hear from you in the comments below. With that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more VPN tips and insights. We'll see you in the next video.